Vermiculai and Panchapakshi Shastra, an in-depth perspective. Vermiculai and Panchapakshi Shastra are two ancient, traditional Tamil systems of Siddha medicine and lifestyle sciences. Although they originated as distinct disciplines, a closer, deeper analysis reveals that they are profoundly interconnected. 1. What is Panchapakshi Shastra? Panchapakshi Shastra is a time calculation methodology based on an individual's birth star nakshatra categorizing human energies into 5 distinct birds Panchapakshi. These are 1. Vulture Valluru, 2. Owl Andhai, 3. Crow Kagam, 4. Cock Rooster Cozy, 5. Peacock Mile. Throughout the day, these 5 birds cycle through 5 types of primordial activities or states. Ruling Arasu, eating consuming Owen, walking Nadhai, sleeping Thil, death static Savu. A person's vital life energy prana fluctuates constantly depending on which bird and activity dominate them at any given moment. It serves as an astronomical and mathematical tool to determine when an individual's life force is at its peak or at its lowest ebb. In Siddha medicine and Varma therapy, assessing the Panchapakshi state is considered critical for successfully curing ailments. 2. The necessity of Panchapakshi in Vermiculai. Vermiculai is the art of healing by stimulating specific vital nerve centers and energy points in the body. Simultaneously, it functions as a highly sophisticated martial art. To achieve success, whether in defeating an opponent in combat or successfully curing a patient in the rap timing Kala Neram is paramount. This is precisely where Panchapakshi Shastra integrates with Vermiculai. 3. Panchapakshi in Varma healing therapeutics. When administering Varma therapy, a healer must carefully observe the current birth state of both the patient and themselves. Ruling மற்றும் eating states Arasu மற்றும் Owen. If a healer administers Varma treatment when their own state or the patient's state is in ruling or eating, the therapy works exceptionally fast. The patient's vital life energy is at its peak, significantly accelerating recovery. Death state Savu. If either the healer or the patient is in the death state, stimulating Varma points during this time can yield negative results, cause severe pain, induce fainting, or render the treatment completely ineffective because the prana is dormant. 4. Panchapakshi in the martial art combat. Ancient warriors and grandmasters Asans utilized Panchapakshi Shastra to neutralize enemies with absolute precision. Nakshattirakuri exploiting the enemy's weakness, Nakshattirakuri by calculating when an opponent enters their sleeping or death state, a Varma warrior can strike and neutralize them with minimal physical effort. Self-awareness. When a Varma practitioner engages in combat during their own ruling state, their speed, agility, and striking accuracy on Varma vital points become extraordinarily superhuman. 5. Pranic energy in the 5 elements Panchabhutas. Panchapakshi Shastra is fundamentally rooted in the science of breath control pranayama and the cyclical flow of the 5 elements. Vermiculai is deeply intertwined with the observation of the breath flow saram. Each bird corresponds to a specific element. Bird-associated element Panchabhuta linked disease categories மற்றும் physiological afflictions. Vulture earth Neelam Nakshattirakuri water and bone-related disorders arthritis, paralysis, bone degeneration, spinal issues. Owl water near pitta and digestive disorders peptic ulcers, jaundice, indigestion, blood pressure fluctuations. Crow fire Neruppa kapha and respiratory disorders asthma, phlegm, sinus, respiratory tract blockages, fevers. Cock air Katruk nervous and muscular disorders nervous debility, muscle spasms, anxiety, seizures, gastric problems. Peacock ether space Agayam chronic, deep-seated, or inexplicable ailments chronic migraines, hormonal imbalances, mental health issues. The core subtlety of Vermiculai lies in administering treatment to a Varma point when the bird representing that specific point's governing element is at its strongest ruling or eating state. Example earth vulture applying Varma pressure or medicated oils for joint pain while the vulture is in ruling or eating causes the medicine to penetrate the bones rapidly. Nakshattirakuri example fire crow Nakshattirakuri practicing pranayama when the crow is strong helps effectively burn excess kapha phlegm in the lungs. Example: ether peacock performing meditation or advanced Varma therapy when the peacock is at its peak triggers profound transformations in the subconscious mind and physical body. 6. Disease eradication and the Panchapakshi activity table. Activity status physiological மற்றும் health implications. Ruling Arasu diseases are entirely eradicated. The body experiences complete rejuvenation. Eating Oant Nakshathirakuri debility is removed and the body recuperates rapidly. Medicines exhibit maximum efficacy. Walking Nadhai the disease remains controlled. Steady, gradual progress in health is observed. Sleeping Thil a state of lethargy. The body responds very slowly to medical treatments. Death Savo vital energy is at its lowest. Therapeutic interventions and intense procedures should be strictly avoided. 7. Guidelines for practitioners and patients. 1. Diagnosis. A disease's severity can be gauged by looking at the patient's birth state at the onset of the illness. If a disease begins during a patient's death or sleeping phase, it indicates a heavier karmic or physiological burden, requiring longer to heal. 2. Tithi and Vara Pakshi lunar day மற்றும் week birds when initiating a treatment layout, the bird governing the specific weekday Vara Pakshi and the bird governing the lunar day Tithi Pakshi must be in a friendly, Natpo alignment rather than a hostile one. 3. Initiating long-term treatment, starting a surgery, critical procedure, or a 48-day mandala treatment cycle during one's ruling state ensures an optimal success rate. 4. Mental health. Avoiding stressful tasks or critical decisions during your bird's week phases protects the nervous system from burnout. Conversely, practicing meditation and pranayama during your peak bird states multiplies the spiritual and physical benefits manifold. Conclusion. As in the macrocosm, so in the microcosm அண்டத்தில் உள்ளதுதான் பிண்டத்திலும் உள்ளது. According to this timeless dictum of the Siddhas, vermiculai is not merely a physical discipline, it is an art connected to cosmic energy. A Varma master achieves absolute perfection only when seamlessly blending the astronomical cycles of Panchapakshi with the physiological mechanics of Varma. Important note: utilizing Panchapakshi Shastra within vermiculai requires formal Gurukul education and long-term, dedicated practice under a traditional master Asan. Attempting to manipulate Varma points without proper guidance and experiential knowledge can be